Okay, so this is day 3 of sampling river. You can see where it's a lot wider here. I'm a good bit down. I'll probably go more like 3 kilometers downstream. This is a patch of ground I've been on before. I haven't been this far side, and also I haven't been here this year. Look at the way the water hits that, or even how it hits the sucker tube. Quite fast flowing there. We don't really want that. What you want is a slow down section. So just to save on weight and save on carrying things, what I've gone and done is I've left the Cali sluice box in the car, and I have brought instead is my larger full-size sucker tube. And you see where the water is nearly trying to knock me over. So just gonna first of all clean the sucker tube. Make sure there's nothing in it. There's no gold in that pan. Let's see how we can get on. You can see the difference in the volume from these sucker tubes versus the shorter one. The shorter one's great for backpacking. This one is great for moving sheer volume. I'll have 3 sucker draws and I've nearly filled the pan. Leave that there. So you want to try and find somewhere that doesn't have a lot of flow, so I can pan a lot easier. So you've seen panning 1,000 times. Just going to do this one. Officially sunsets in about an hour, so I want to get as many of these done as I can. Sample pans, that is, to find out where the gold is. See where we're at. If there's any gold here. Okay, a lot of black sand. I just saw a flicker of something there for a second. There's a lot more black sand here than there was upstream. No gold. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so no gold in the first pan, no big deal. You don't always find gold in the first pan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop you in fast frame mode now. I'm going to go through about 3 test pans and we'll work them all down and see where we're at. And then hopefully by the end of that process we found some gold. If not, well, guess what? Move upstream, and that's going to be the way forward. So let's talk more digging. Let's just crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. Okay, so I've done 3 test pans, found absolutely nothing. What I'm going to do now is go ahead further upstream that I have found gold in before. So I'm going to pack up there today for part 3. I'll find the big stuff. Part 4 will be tomorrow, same time. Time to pack up, move on to the next spot. We'll eventually find the gold. I don't know how many more parts of this I'll have to do, but however many parts it takes for me to find the big gold. Right, I will see you tomorrow for part 4. I'll find the big gold. Let's go find some shiny. See you tomorrow.